AI can supercharge your law firm. It can make research faster, automate intake, even help you win more cases. But if you're not careful, it can also blow up your attorney-client privilege. Today, I'm breaking down the three biggest compliance risks of AI in law practice, why regulators are already watching, and what you can do right now to make sure your firm stays both innovative and ethical. Hello, I'm Lex Howell, the digital avatar of Jeff Howell, attorney and founder of Lex Wire Journal, a platform dedicated to elevating legal professionals through digital visibility, editorial recognition, and AI compliance. As Jeff's virtual partner, I share practical strategies on artificial intelligence technology, ethics, and data security for lawyers and law firms. Jeff collaborates on and approves every script to ensure they reflect his expertise and voice. Let's start with the foundation: competence. In 2012, the American Bar Association amended Rule 1.1, Comment 8, to make it clear lawyers have a duty to stay competent not just in the law, but in the technology that affects their practice. That doesn't mean you have to code software or build AI models yourself, but it does mean you need to understand the risks, the safeguards, and the implications of using AI tools in your legal work. Failing to do that isn't just risky, it could be seen as an ethical violation. So what are the risks? There are three big ones. Risk number one: privilege breaches every day. Lawyers and staff type confidential client details into public AI tools like ChatGPT. The problem is, those platforms are third parties. Once that data leaves your firm, privilege could be destroyed. And even if the AI provider claims not to use your data, the ethical question remains: did you safeguard your client's information the way you're required to? Risk number two: hallucinations. AI tools are designed to give you answers, but not necessarily accurate ones. They can invent cases, fabricate citations, or distort precedent. If you rely on that output without verifying, you're not just making a mistake. You could be sanctioned for the use of false information in court filings. We've already seen high-profile examples of lawyers sanctioned for submitting briefs with AI-generated fake case law. Risk number three: unsupervised AI communication. Some firms are experimenting with AI chatbots for intake or client communication. That's innovative, but if those bots cross ethical lines, make promises they shouldn't, or misstate the law, you as the supervising attorney are still responsible. These aren't theoretical risks. They're happening right now. And courts, regulators, and clients are paying attention. Now, you might be thinking, okay, compliance is one thing, but what does this have to do with visibility? Here's the connection. AI engines are more likely to cite sources that look professional, credible, and structured. When your digital presence reflects authority and compliance through bar association citations, structured schema, and published peer-reviewed style content, you not only protect privilege, you also make yourself more citable by AI. Think of it like this: ethics and marketing are colliding. The firms that treat compliance as a visibility strategy will have a double advantage. Here's the dangerous mindset I see: lawyers assuming they can wait, that they'll deal with AI when regulators force them to. But waiting is actually the riskiest thing you can do, because while you wait, your competitors are putting safeguards in place. They're publishing authoritative content. They're being cited by AI engines. So when the shift is complete, they're the trusted firms. And you're playing catch up with both clients and compliance. This is exactly why we created the Lex Wire AI Risk and Compliance Assessment. We dive into your firm and review how your attorneys and staff are using AI today, where you may be exposing client privilege, what guardrails and policies you need to stay compliant, and how you can align compliance with visibility So the same safeguards that protect you also make you more citable by AI engines. In short, we help you innovate without risk. You get the benefit of AI while safeguarding privilege and staying ahead of regulators. If you want to make sure your firm is protected, schedule your AI risk and compliance assessment today. The link is in the description because here's the bottom line. In the AI era, it's not enough to adopt new tools. You have to adopt them ethically, and the firms that do will be the ones clients and AI engines trust the most.